you watched my previous video, you saw how I set up my goatscaping business. So today I'm going to show you how I set up my 1994 Chevy Suburban for goatscaping, because I'm not using my trailer right now, hopefully soon, and how I keep it clean. So the first thing that I do is I wrap a tarp around the seat right here. This is new, but I just got a new weather tag to go in the back, and I kind of just put the tarp over the back of the seat and tuck it in. And you can see here, even without the weather tag, it stayed clean, but the weather tag's going to make it even better. And right now I don't have anything to cover these up, but I haven't had any issues yet. Any ideas, let me know in the comments. And the next thing I do is I put another tarp in, and I'm just going to tuck it here. This is just, that's not a stain. I'm going to tuck it here, I'm going to tuck it here, I'm going to tuck it here, I'm going to tuck it everywhere. Now I want to make sure that they're not just slipping around on this and pulling this up. So I take an old comforter, I throw it all over here, and then that also makes it so that if they do pee, it has something to catch it. So I actually pick them up every day. I don't leave them here at nighttime. So I pick them up every day. They're sitting here waiting for me. They're sitting here waiting for me. They're ready to go home. I've got Isabel helping me. She's got some leashes in her hands. We're gonna get some leashes on. I always leave. So let's turn the fence off.
I just chopped again by accident.
Did you just get, you touched the fence before I turned it off?
Yep.
And it's an electric fence, so yeah, so now we're gonna leash them up. Alrighty. My door sticks a little bit. So can you get her in, or? Mama and her baby in the back. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this door. So we've got these two in the back here. They won't jump over, they're pretty good. And then we'll just open up this door and we'll let the other ones in. Here's another leash. Usually I have leashes for all of them, but I guess we didn't bring them, so we're taking turns here. Okay.
And then
oh, okay. So then, if you just want to put a leash on one of them, and then I'll just carry the other one with. Oh, I got the fence.
that's what you want.
Let's try it. Try the fence post with one hand. I got two goats in the other hand. So usually I come up here and they'll just jump in the car. I said they'll just jump in the car. So, of course, they're not going to. Alright, I'm going to have to not be hands-free for this. Come on. Get up there. There we go. There's one. There's two. She doesn't want to listen to you. All right, I'll just grab pumpkin or honey.
Flip over. Ah!
So close.
My finger.
So close.
Hold up.
Oh.
I can hold her. Come on, let's go home.
Nellie is our stubborn goat.
Come on.
I can grab her. Come here, Nels. Was that hard?
Wow.
That was so easy.
Not for you.
Okay.
Wow, you're
So now you can see we've got all of our goats in our truck.
Hi, guys.
And we're just gonna go home and out. We don't even need the leashes to put them back to bed. We literally, will you stop it? We literally just let them out, and it's nighttime, so they'll just go right to bed. Right. And I mean, you can't really see what they've done because it's so dark out here, but you can see here, all of this is bare ground. This was all very weedy before. All of the trees are bare. They've gone, let's see here. There's hawthorns in here, so I don't like going too far in here. I mean, I will, but they've, oh my goodness. I think, of course, my hair gets stuck on this. Of course it does. On this thing right here. Okay. My hair's stuck on it. Let me see. There we go. That wasn't a hawthorn, but it also wasn't fun. But I always like to see what they've done, where they've worked. We haven't touched a lot of the front here. I mean, actually we have, because it was a lot thicker than this. But I'm not sure how well this is coming through on the camera. But yeah, they have been busy at work. And then they also have apple trees here. So there's apples that they can eat. Or I can eat them. I forgot. She said that we need to get a bucket and pick up all the fallen apples for our piggies. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. Are you giving them some treats? Oh, is that branch to do it? A little high. I brought them an apple. It started on it. Why are you putting branches in here? Okay. We don't need to do that. Alright, and we're just gonna go home. Alright, and I'm just gonna open this up. Gonna open this up. I'm actually gonna lead her in. Ladies, we're not sleeping in the truck today. Look at them, they're so comfortable. They don't even want to get out. All right, come on. I'm gonna bring them back in. I'm gonna bring them in. And then I guess I'll have to come get the other. Then when it's time to clean it out, I'm gonna take my Milwaukee shop vac, and I'm just gonna make sure, because every once in a while something might fall down, like there's some feed that fell down there, there's a leaf. but for the most part it's kept clean. It's just when I remove the tarp sometimes things fall down. So I'm just going to take the shop vac and clean that up. We're going to pop up the seats.
We're gonna put it on the TV. Wait, my question is the headphones are lost.
All right,
On the front.
let's see here. They're all good. Okay. This thing's really cool because it doesn't require, like, you just put the Milwaukee battery in it. So I love this. About this is this opens and all the attachments go right inside. The only thing it doesn't have a hair attachment, so we can't get like all the hair off, so I'm going to have to get a hair attachment. All the attachments go right inside. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.